In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot when Google Gemini is not working, guiding you through some effective steps to get things back on track in just under 5 minutes. This can be frustrating, I know, but let's navigate these easy solutions together to ensure your Google Gemini runs smoothly. First and foremost, let's start by checking your internet connection. It's surprisingly common for connectivity issues to cause apps like Google Gemini to malfunction. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can do this by checking your network settings and ensuring there aren't any disruptions or weak signals. Sometimes, a simple restart of your modem or router can help re-establish a more consistent connection. Once you've verified that your internet is functional, the next step is to open your browser. You're going to need this to access and adjust a few settings. Double-check that you're using a compatible browser that supports all of Google Gemini's features. It's usually best to use the latest version of browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge for optimal performance. With your browser open, navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically found under a small gear icon or within the browser's menu list. Accessing settings will allow us to clear out some old data that might be causing issues. Clearing your browser cache and cookies is a very effective way to solve many browsing-related problems. This action helps because your browser often stores temporary files and data from websites to make loading times faster. However, over time, these files can become corrupted or outdated, leading to unexpected issues. In your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and make sure to select both cache and cookies. If after clearing the cache and cookies, Google Gemini is still not cooperating, try switching to a different browser or even a different device altogether. This helps determine if the problem is browser-specific or device-specific, offering more clarity on the root cause. Sometimes, simply logging out and then logging back into your Google account can refresh the session and solve persistent issues. Make sure to save any work before logging out to avoid data loss. If you've gone through all these steps and find that Google Gemini is still not performing as expected, it might just be a temporary glitch. In such cases, giving it a bit of time and trying again later could work wonders, as developers may be resolving a temporary server issue. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, your best bet is to report the problem to Google Support. They are equipped to handle and resolve specific issues that may require a more technical intervention. In conclusion, troubleshooting Google Gemini doesn't have to be stressful or time-consuming if you follow these steps. Hopefully, you found these suggestions helpful. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other troubleshooting guides for more tech tips and tricks.